Why MPR? Because multiplanar, high-intensity, low-impact strength training creates stronger, leaner, more balanced bodies. You get results without injury. Hi, I'm Tony Molina. I'm the founder of MPR Fitness. Over the last 27 years, I've been working with my celebrity clients, getting them ready for the big and little screen, Broadway, the runway, and the red carpet.
Tony Molina is recognized as one of the nation's top personal trainers for celebrities, Fortune 500 CEOs, and many more.
And over that time, they've been getting great success. And what I wanted to do was take that same level of success and make it available to everybody. What is MPR? MPR is a fusion of sports conditioning, Pilates, yoga, and martial arts. It's a training technique that I developed 27 years ago. Traditional exercise programs, they target individual muscles while supporting the body. Multiple planes of resistance, we target muscle groups while challenging the body to support itself. You use more muscles per rep, per set, per exercise, so that your total burn rate goes up per workout, and because of excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, you have what's called a higher afterburn. So what we do is we train your body to work as an orchestra. We're not training soloists because your body needs to perform together. So what we train is muscles to work in harmony. So you have a symphony that you can execute perfect movement outside of the gym.